Hi, welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be trouble. So before we find out what kind of trouble I've gotten myself into today, if you hear anything in the background, I am on my friend Jessicavargus's live. Hi, Jessica. I will leave her linked in my description box. Go check her out. She's amazing. Yeah. My brain is fried. I have a theory. My theory is it's not enough glitter. That's why my brain is fried. Oh, so hot today. Alright, so today we got our Ipsy Glam Bag. Alright, and this is the base bag. Okay, so this is it's basically 15 bucks a month. I think it's like $12.95. I could be wrong. Like I said, my brain's fried. Alright, so this is this month's bag. It is slightly fugly. I don't know what my computer is doing. It's doing some wonky things right now. Alright, we're just gonna go with it. Alright, and then we get a card. The future is yours, August 2020. Glow your own way. And then on the inside, 3 next level ingredients to try. And no valuable information about the products we're receiving, so alright. So first off we have Kiss and Smink lip crayon pen in Tavaro. I don't know. Alright, let's see if I can get this open. Ooh, 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 it started. Look, look, look. It's working, it's working, it's working. Okay. Alright. And I got it on my hands here. That is the color and how much product you get. And I already smooshed it all over the place. And I think that I am going to give this to my niece. I kind of prefer liquid lips. My niece is just getting into makeup, and that'll be something nice for her. Alright, next we have Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream All Day Moisture. And I already have one of these, and it is amazing. And, I love it. It smells so good. Alright, then we have Naked Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. And that is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get this one open. Maybe. I might cheat. Come on. Never actually tried a lip scrub before. Ha ha ha. I win. Kind of smells like vanilla, I guess. And that is what it looks like. Kind of feels like a balm with like sugar crystals in it. That'll be nice to try out. I've never actually owned a lip scrub before. And we have bubble wrap. Alright. Araceli Jalisco Eyes Eyeshadow in Tequila. And that is the color. And that's pretty. I might try to depot that and put that into my magnetic palette. I might. And the last thing in here is Buxom Extrovert Mascara, and wow. If this is not the smallest mascara I have ever seen in my entire life. Alright. So this is a ABH Clear Brow Gel sample. And that is the Buxom. Yeah. Alright, well. I've heard good things about the mascara. So that is the wand. Yeah, we'll give it a try. See how we like it. And that is it for our August Ipsy Glam Bag. I don't know about this month's Glam Bag. I mean, lip scrub. I'll try it. I may or may not depot the eyeshadow. If I can't depot it, I'll probably give it to my niece. I will definitely give the lip crayon to my niece. That's not a deluxe sample size, that is sample size. What else did we get? Oh yeah. Lotion. I do love the lotion. I don't know. I mean, I know I got my money's worth, but it just, I'm not excited about the products. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. What do you think about this month's bag? What do you think about the products? What did you get? Were you excited about what you got? I don't know. Kind of feel some type of way. And I'm in a weird mood. Alright. So that is it for today. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check them out. I think if you sign up under my link, I get points, which add up, and then I can spend those points on other makeup. I think that's how it works. Not quite sure, but I think. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's it. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye.